Hi, I'm Dr. Manuel Fernandez. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that my patients have been asking me to put online because they either can't remember it or they need a reminder. However, this is a technique that I use pretty much to calm down nerves when anxiety is too high or when you need to ground. This is a good way to contain emotions and be able to actually control a little bit that moment. This technique, I call it A.N.A, or this is the A.N.A technique, and it's A.N.A, 3 letters. And first letter, A, stands for awareness. During the awareness part, it's very important that we pay attention to what's happening in our minds and what's happening in our bodies. So first of all, when you pay attention to what's going on inside your head, many times we describe them as racing thoughts. You get one thought after another, and they can continue coming and coming, and they feel overwhelming. So at this moment, all you have to do is just become aware of what's happening in your mind. What am I thinking right now? Start kind of like naming what you're thinking. And then what else am I thinking? What else am I thinking? What you're going to realize is that something that feels like it's so many different thoughts, many times it's just one, but coming in many different ways. So that's a good way. And then after that, you immediately pay attention to your body. Do a quick scan from head to toe and see what parts of your body are feeling either tense, anxious, shaking, tingling, whatever the sensation is, just note it and pay attention. After you do that, then connect it with the emotion. This is when the N comes into effect. At this moment, you start naming the emotion that is associated with the racing thoughts or the sensations in your body. At this moment, you do the association. Okay, how are the things that are in my head and the sensations that are in my body making me feel? So at that moment, just name the emotions. Okay, these racing thoughts are making me feel worried right now. So at this moment, I feel worried. That my heart palpitating faster is making me feel scared. Okay, at this moment, I feel scared. Whatever negative thought I was having is making me feel sad. Okay, at this moment, I feel sad. So just start naming the emotions that you are having at that moment and welcome them. And this is when the third letter comes into effect, the second A, which is acceptance. Okay, at this moment I feel worried, I feel nervous, I feel anxious, I feel sad, I feel angry, whatever the emotion is. We're validating the emotion because this is what's happening right now, and we cannot ignore it. We cannot pretend it's not happening, because the more we pretend it's not happening, the more it gets bottled up and the more it gets to be more intense. So just name it. And okay, at this moment I'm feeling this way, and that's okay. And I accept that at this moment I feel that way. Because only after we accept something, it is only then that we can change it. We cannot change anything that we have not yet accepted. Okay? So once you do the A.N.A, the awareness of what's happening in your mind and your body, naming the emotions associated with those, and then validating the emotions or accepting the emotions, then it is only then that we have a choice that what we want to do next. At this moment, we could ask, okay, at this moment I accept that I feel this way. Do I want to continue feeling this way? And if the answer is no, then you give yourself the option to change it. Or if the answer is yes, then at least you're choosing to stay there and you're still feeling in control. So, but if you do want to change it, then that's when we incorporate what we call behavioral modifications, which is something that I will be covering next. Thank you.